Kong Hei Fat Choi. Happy Chinese New Year to all my Friday Friendly Kitchen viewers. Today in our recipe, we are going to see how this mixed vegetable stir fry to be made. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen. And if you are first time viewing this channel, welcome aboard. And do not forget to click the bell icon and the subscribe button so that when I post the video, you'll be notified and you will be access to my channels as well. And there are more new programs are coming up. So let's see what are we going to do. But before we get into the kitchen, this is what we are going to do for this Chinese New Year of the tiger. So let's roar like a tiger. Wow. Hello viewers, and these are the ingredients to make the quick and easy Chinese stir fry mixed veggie. And I have a few ingredients that I'm going to demonstrate. As you can see, I have some baby corns, a bowl of broccoli, and I also have a bowl of cauliflower, and I also have half an onion, a bowl of baby carrots, half a bowl of celery, chopped celery, and I have 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and I have some water, and I have some medium soy sauce. And also to add it with it, I have some salt to taste and some chili flakes. It's about 1 teaspoon, just to make it spicy. But if you like it, you can have it. If you can add the chili flakes. If not, you can omit it. The chili flakes is an optional. So let's see how our stir fry veggie to be done. To start off this, we need to make a paste, and for that I have 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and I will add some water. And for this we will also add the soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. One and 2, and also with that we'll add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and mix it up. It's to make a slur. So this is to thicken up the veggie in the end, and it also gives some flavor of the soy sauce. The process of cooking, dear viewers, it is very simple, and so we'll begin with heating up the pan, and also we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And let's coat the pan with some oil. And let the pan come to let the oil becomes warmed up, and then we can start cooking. And dear viewers, our oil is already heated up, so we can add the onions first, and also a little bit of salt. Approximately about 1/4 teaspoon, and we'll fry this onions till it becomes translucent. We will cook this until the onions becomes translucent. Viewers, the onions has become translucent. At this point we can add the chili flakes. It's 1 teaspoon. It's upon to you if you'd like. It's an optional. If you like, you can add. If not, you may omit it. But I want it to be a little spicy, so I'm just adding about 1 teaspoon. If you like the flavor, you can add less or more. It's up to you as well. Viewers, we'll add some carrots because carrots needs to cook, and also some broccoli, and also the celery we'll add together, and the cauliflower. So with that, you can just fry them. And to make it fast, the cooking process, we need some water, so I'll just add some water into it. And let the veggie come to a cooking stage. To help the cooking process to be faster, I'll just add a cover and let it cook. Dear viewers, the veggie needs to be cooked more, so I'm just giving a quick stir and let it continue cooking. Let's check, dear viewers, how is the veggies are being cooked. I believe there needs to be cooked more, so let's continue cooking them till it's well cooked. First, let's check how the veggies are. I believe the veggies are kind of cooked, and yes, it is half cooked. And at this time, we can add the baby corns and give it a quick mix. Looks so yummy. And at this point, we'll just wait for the rest of the water to evaporate, and then we'll add the slurry of the cornstarch. Dear viewers, we'll give a quick stir before we add the tapioca starch slurry. And at this point, we can add the tapioca slurry. Just before you may add in, just mix it and make sure there is no lumps and it's all perfectly mixed, and add in. And give it a quick mix. And our veggies are kind of ready. So we don't need much of salt because the soy sauce has salt, and we have already added approximately about 1/4 teaspoon of salt in the beginning as we add the onions. And dear viewers, our veggies are ready. And that's it, viewers. And now this can be removed. And dear viewers, finally our Chinese New Year mixed veggie is ready to be served for the reunion dinner on the eve of the New Year, where the family gets together to eat together. So this is one of the dishes that I would recommend, that easy to be made and to cook and to enjoy with your family. So Kong Hee Fat Choy from Friday Friendly Kitchen, or Gong Si Fat Choy from Friday Friendly Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, like and share the video with everyone. And those who are with me, thank you very much. I appreciate your faithfulness, and we'll see each other in the next video. So do try again, do try this recipe and leave your comments below. Thank you, bye bye, and see you again.